Welcome to Emperor Building Group, your bath renovation experts. We are your trusted partner in kitchen, bathroom and home renovations in Canberra. At Emperor Building Group, we specialize in designing and constructing high-quality bathrooms that enhance your property's value and provide functional living spaces. Whether you're looking to create a cozy retreat for family members, a home office, or a rental opportunity, our expert team is here to bring your vision to life. Why choose us? As a Canberra-based company, we understand the unique requirements and regulations of the ACT. Our experience ensures that your bath and shower meets all local standards while maximizing space and functionality. We believe that every family is unique. That's why we offer a range of customizable designs to suit your specific needs and style preferences. Our architects and designers work closely with you to create a space that reflects your lifestyle. Quality construction. Our commitment to quality means using only the best materials and skilled tradespeople. We pride ourselves on our attention to detail, ensuring that every project is completed to the highest standard. From the initial consultation to project completion, we aim to make the building process as smooth as possible. Our team handles all aspects of construction, including permits and approvals, so you can focus on your new space. Our services and people are second to none. Bathroom renovations and bath and shower upgrades. We handle everything for you. Customizations and renovation updates. We can handle all your building needs. Get started with the Emperor Building Group today. Contact us for a free consultation at the number on your screen or visit our website. Call us today at 02 6105 9009. We are waiting to hear from you.